everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this video I am very excited to do like a cleanup. I have been gone from my apartment for like a month now. So I was in Chicago this whole time and I was living off my suitcase, and then I did shopping over there because Marshall's TJ Maxx opened up. So I went and I did a lot of damage, which meant that I bought a lot of stuff. So now I have to organize things. Also, a big thing is that I did get a cat. He's still pretty small. It's a funny story. I thought it was a she first. We thought it was, female, but it turns out that when we took him to the vet and checked him out, it turns out it's a boy. So yeah, so I have a kitten now, and I brought back like stuff with him too. So it's like trying to figure out where I'm gonna organize things, but also I'm not trying to stress too much because I know come August I'm moving back to Chicago, so I'm not gonna be here anymore. So yeah, so I'm trying to just organize stuff, and also like I was like really indecisive. I wanted to fix stuff because I was like, well, I'm gonna move back to Chicago, but then again, like I feel like cleaning, organizing everything's just gonna make it more easier for me to when I move back to Chicago, to know like what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not. So yeah, so this is just gonna be a deep cleaning video, so I hope you guys enjoy this. But because I'm gonna for sure be listening to music or watching like a show or something to like kind of be in my back end, and I'm also gonna turn on the AC because it's super hot in here. If you guys can see me, I'm already sweating because I was cleaning the kitchen. So I'm gonna turn on the AC and it's just gonna be a lot of background noise. So yeah, but hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm gonna start off by taking out everything from my suitcase, and I kind of just like to throw everything on my bed to kind of get an idea of what I have, and then I'll go from there. Yeah, so this is Bebe, and I'm so glad that I picked like a gender neutral name. He's such a good boy. He doesn't pee or poop anywhere but his litter box, and he's growing up so much and he eats so much. He's so bad. I have to pick up his plate so he doesn't have like food throughout the day. Only when I eat, we eat at the same time, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because he's so bad and he really wants my food, so I make sure to feed him around the same time. And also he just overeats. He will eat just to eat. So this is the mess that I'm really like talking about right here. So that's my big suitcase that I haven't opened up, and I have like Bebe stuff here, and I don't know how I'm gonna organize it. So I have his stuff here, and it's just all under the seat, and then obviously that's my makeup bag. I also have to do laundry, so I think I'm gonna do laundry tonight. And then I went to Target, so I have a couple things in that bag that I haven't taken out. So yeah, this is all the mess that I really have right now. So I'm actually really upset because my memory card broke and I only have one, and now it says that it's locked, so now I can't use it at all. So now I have to record on my phone, which is okay, I guess, because I just got an iPhone. The camera quality is pretty good, but I'm just annoyed at the fact that I have to record through my phone and I can't be using it. But I guess now I can only listen to music. So I'm probably gonna extend this video until tomorrow and not finish all of it today because I just put a request in for a new SD card online. Alright, so I started to really unpack and put my stuff away. Please ignore me if you hear me like talking and stuff. I was screaming at my Google Chrome because she couldn't understand what music I wanted. So yeah, right now I'm just organizing everything by sections, and here I am focusing first on jeans. So I'm putting all jeans together and I'm singing my lungs out, so I'm glad I voiced over this part. And now I'm just adding like dresses in one pile, shirts in one pile, workout clothes in another. So basically organizing to make it like more easier for me. Yeah, so right now Bebe got in a camera and I had to tell him to come out. But yeah, so I'm just organizing my shirts and everything, like I said, by section, so I can easily just hang them up afterwards. Here I ended up finishing taking everything out from my suitcase, so now I am taking everything off the closet, since it was becoming a little difficult for me to really put everything away while it was disorganized. So I just took out everything so I can make it more better. So now I have better sections with jeans, skirts, shorts,
And all the way in the end, I'm gonna put out my workout clothes. And right now I started to hang out all my summer shirts, which are mostly crop tops and not like very like cami shirts and short sleeve shirts. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm putting away all my shorts, and then in the white hangers, those are like more short sleeve and long sleeve shirts. And right now I'm putting away my dresses.
Hey y'all, so I actually have cleaned most of my stuff already. I'm just sitting down taking another water break, but everything's off the floor now, and I only have a few things in my bed, and I was going to show you guys some of the stuff that I got that I haven't shown you guys, but I think I wanted to show some of you all because I got some good deals. But it's just a few things in my bed. I'm also just going to show you how I put away my final things, which is going to be my makeup, and then I'll show you the end results. Pretty much put everything away. But yeah, let me show you guys the last things I have, and then I'll show you guys how I organize my makeup afterwards. Alright, so everything's pretty much off of my bed. These are the last few things that are in my bed, and there's nothing on the floor again. I organized my workout things a little bit more better there, and there's like nothing over there except for my dirty laundry, which I'm gonna do tonight. So this is my makeup, and I wanted to show you guys this makeup bag is so nice. I got it from Amazon, of course. I know that a lot of people are telling me not to shop from there, but I got it a while back either way, and since I go back to Chicago a lot, I wanted like a nice makeup organizer, and this is like by far like the best that fits all my makeup stuff into just one bag. I wanted to definitely show you guys this Champion waist little bag. Yeah, it's a waist pack. This is super cute. When I saw it, I really wanted it, and it was for $14.99, which is not bad for Marshalls. For a bunch of other stuff that I got when I was in Chicago and I went to Costco, and so this is a toothpaste I use. This is my to-go toothpaste. It's the best. If you have weak teeth, I recommend you check this one out. And then obviously I have my electric toothbrush, so I also got this. So this goes into the bathroom actually, so I'm just gonna organize everything where it goes. So everything's gonna stay in this makeup bag that needs to go into my makeup drawers. This is gonna be over here because I'm gonna hang this up behind my door, where I put my to-go bags, because I'm gonna start wearing this one. And then this is actually gonna go into my desk because I have to register it so I can get like a lifetime warranty. So I went to Target and I bought a few things. So first off, I got this Gain things. I'm gonna start organizing stuff, like, so this is gonna go in the kitchen. I go put this underneath the sink. This is again gonna go into that little storage thing that I have my beauty stuff in. This is again gonna go in my desk because I have to register that as well to get warranty. Sorry, you're not supposed to see that. That's gonna go in my drawer. And then some of this, oh yeah, I'm gonna make my own face mask, so I'm gonna put that in my personal things as well. I got some toothbrushes. I think it's super cute color, and they were pretty affordable. I have retainers, so I have to constantly be washing my teeth and my retainers. I don't like them dirty. Oh, and I actually used this already. This goes to the garbage. And then I got this Pixie glycolic acid toner. This is amazing. I heard really great things about it. So then this is gonna go in my beauty stuff because I still have some toner in the bathroom. Hand sanitizer, they were 99 cents, so you know I had to get some. This is gonna go actually into my drawer. It's just a bandana that I'm gonna make into a face mask myself, and I'm gonna use the shoelaces. These are the nails that I have not used at all. Like, these were the ones I was supposed to use in my graduation, and I completely forgot. So hopefully I get to put those on this weekend. Then this goes in the kitchen, just so my house can smell nice now that I have a pet. And then this is my nail polish that I actually used on my toes already. And then I also use this as the top coat, and honestly it made a difference for me. Hey y'all, so I am so excited because I'm officially done, and I'm just gonna show you guys the results. I'm obviously gonna like vacuum my floor later on and clean a little bit more on my desk. But these are the final results compared to before. I'm happy with how I left stuff. Obviously I wish I had more room to organize things a little bit more better, but this is gonna do for now. But yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, all the mess from here is gone. I'm gonna do laundry tonight, so it's still a little messy here, but there's nothing there or on top of there anymore. I organized everything of Bebe's stuff under there because I just don't have the space. So I'm just gonna leave everything there for now, and I'm gonna leave his bed there. He's actually sleeping there again right now. He sleeps a lot during night. I mean during the day. And yeah, there's nothing there anymore. My drawers are a little overcrowded. But yeah, so everything's clean, everything's off the floor. My desk is looking pretty much better. Still have to clean up a little things. It's garbage, and these are like some heels that I just don't know where I'm gonna put. I just don't have the space for them, so I'm just leaving them out for now. And yeah, this is my bed, so there's nothing in my bed no more, or my nightstand. So this is how the closet looks at the end. I know some of you guys probably think it's still pretty messy, but this is how it works for me. So in this side I have all my dresses, which are like in the colorful section, from the hangers I mean, and then my white hangers are more like short sleeve, long sleeve shirts, and then right here I have a bunch of like joggers and like comfortable pants to sleep on. I just didn't have any other space for them, so I just put them in there for now. And then this specific little storage thing is for all my business clothes for interviews or work or anything like that. Then here I put my towels, my clean ones. Then here I put my face towels. These are the ones at Chicago that are clean and I brought back, so I just left them in there. And then top of here I organized all my long jeans that I wear on a daily basis. Next to it I put all my skirts by like jeans and then colorful ones in the bottom. And then here all my shorts, so all for my summer. Then right here I put like this little thing to divide, and so for me to keep things a little bit more organized. So these are like spandex, small ones that I like to put underneath my dresses if they're really short. And then right next to it I put all my shorts and biker shorts that I work on. And then all the way at the end are like my leggings and my yoga pants. All that goes all the way in the end, since I'm not gonna really need that right now. I'm more leaning towards using shorts and biker shorts for my workouts. And then all the way on top is just my bags, or like one is filled with all my like swimwear, and then another one is filled with like a lot of like winter gear. And then yeah, so and then that's my empty makeup bag. That's another bag full of like fuzzy socks and stuff. And then my empty bags, I put them inside here. So I'm actually gonna show you guys. So these are all empty. So yeah, I organized everything. This is where I put a lot of my personal care things and medicine there too, so that's there. And then I have my maletas here, and they're all empty. There's nothing inside them. And then this side, or more like my crop tops, the short ones are more like summery. Then next to, like right behind it, is all like my summers, my jean jackets. But that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this organization video. I find them very pleasing and satisfying when I watch other people like get their lives together and organize stuff. Maybe it helps you guys also figure out how you want to organize stuff for yourself too. If not like me, maybe even improve it. But yeah, that is all. I hope that you guys are doing well and that you're taking care of yourselves during this time, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to support me, and I appreciate each one of you guys. Bye.